It all goes down tonight, my friend, at 8 p.m. Eastern. Yes, the time for myEcon is here, and we've been waiting a while for this, but the income shifting 30-day launch campaign goes live tonight. I'm going to walk you through it in this video, so please make sure you watch all the way through. Get all of the details that, well, as much as I can give you, but you got to be on the inside to really get the full scoop. And, hang out, watch this video, subscribe while you're here, hit that bell icon, will you? It really does help the channel, and I really truly do appreciate it. So thank you for watching. Let me just go ahead and dive right into it. Now, by the way, if you're new here, my name is Daniel. I've been with myEcon since 2018. I am a CEO Infinity, which is their top rank, and just love it. Absolutely love helping people make and save more money. So what we've put together here is a campaign, and it's not just a campaign. It's everything. It is literally everything, and it's all going to start right here with this capture page and sales video. And it's, this is going to tell the story of, we're following a very basic marketing formula, okay, of how to get X without doing Y. And that's what this whole campaign is all based around. So we started with a video, we started with a sales page, and then it just exploded from there. And what we're unveiling and what we're launching tonight to our team, and this could be available to you if you get on our team, simply click the link in the description down below to get started. Pick your spot, doesn't really matter. You'll get full access to this. And by the way, we'll also give you over $11,000 in free value just for getting started with our myEcon team. So sales funnels, live training, an app, email follow-up. I mean, literally everything you need. But the real fun and excitement starts tonight with this marketing campaign, because this is something to this level, to this degree, that we have never done before, not to everything that I'm going to share with you here in this video. So really quick, before we dive in fully, everything that we're talking about here is all going to be based on this one core product right here, the income shifting, also known as correcting your W-4. And what that basically means for you is you're adjusting your taxes. You're paying less in taxes so you can get more in take-home pay. Now, this is 100% IRS approved. It's legal. It's ethical. This is right out of the IRS handbook, basically, where you're learning the correct way to pay less in taxes, more take-home pay, so you're not giving the government too much money and then wishing, hoping, and praying at the end of the year that you get a big refund. You can get that money up front instead of waiting for it. So I hope that makes sense. Okay. So inside of our members area, and what we're going to be unveiling to the team tonight, we have our entire income shifting campaign folder right here for you guys to see it. And this is housed inside of our vault, which is where our literally thousands of videos and pieces of content and everything for you guys to use as you're building and growing your myEcon business. That's where all that stuff is, in our vault. But the income shifting campaign is new. And again, this is being unveiled tonight so you guys can see. So what we have here, and let me start with the content calendar, because that's really what it all points to. All these different folders and everything that you see here, all is going to stem from the content calendar. So let me go ahead and open this up for you so you can see it. And this is all color coded, easy to use. And I know it's a little small on the screen there, but I'm keeping it that way on purpose. So again, trying to keep this exclusive to our team here, but excited to show this to you so you can see what the advantages that you get, what we do for you to help you get out there and get real results, and having a plan to follow, having a blueprint versus just plugging in and hoping for the best, So we have 4 basic activities that you're going to be doing each and every single day. We call these IPAs, or income producing activities, right? So you have direct messaging, YouTube videos, short form videos, Facebook posts, right? And they're all broken down here, what to do on every single day. Okay, so you're going to know everything that you need to do if you want to launch your business. You want to come out of the gate swinging. You want to get results as quick as possible. This is it right here. This is literally it. And obviously you could change this to any month, make it really simple. Okay. So that's the content calendar that our people are going to be using right there. Okay. These are the activities broken down. So as an example, YouTube videos, right? So we'll open up this one here, doing the suggestion in our content calendar is 2 YouTube videos a week. Okay. And you have your full scripts, literally what to say in every single video. There's your hook, there's your intro. All the videos are about 3 minutes long. You can see right here, total video, about 3.5 minutes. And it's what to say in the video, what to have on screen, everything you need in your YouTube video scripts for the entire month is all right there, simple and easy to use. Okay. Short form videos, same exact thing. We give people the video scripts right here, what to say, exactly what to say, how to say it, what to have on screen, the words to have on screen, everything that people use and need to make those short form videos to get attention, great hooks, all of those things. We even have an entire page of just hooks. So if you're either talking to someone or putting out content, recording additional videos or Facebook posts or whatever it is, writing emails, it's just a whole page of hooks that you could use all in and around this income shifting campaign. Facebook posts, same exact thing, which is really easy to do. And by the way, all of these post ideas, whether it's a Facebook post or it's a YouTube video, they're all tied to the graphics that we have here. So as an example, we have YouTube videos in here, and there's 10 specific YouTube videos that you can record. And then we even have the 10 specific thumbnails to match up. So video 1, 2, 3, so video number 5 thumbnail would match with the video number 5 YouTube video. Simple as that, right? And of course, the same thing with the Facebook post as well. You have all of the graphics to use that tie along with those things there. All the direct messages, multiple different types of direct messages. So warm messages, cold messages, really to the point messages, all of those things. We have email swipes for our team. And again, it's just everything. We also put together webinar slides. We have, whether it be a PowerPoint, a PDF, we have the actual video. I recorded a demo version for these webinar slides. So if people are going to go record their own income shifting webinar, they're going to know exactly what the flow is. They can watch my demo video and get a feel for it because I go through the entire thing. And it's only a 10-minute overview. So it's really easy for anybody to do. And you have all the slides, everything you need right there to get out and go do that. Also, and again, just to make sure everybody knows how everything's supposed to flow, what it looks like, what it feels like, what it sounds like. As an example, with these short form videos right here, okay, when you're opening up this folder and you're going through and figuring out like, okay, I see the script, I know what to say, I know the words to have on screen, I know what I need to say in the video, but what does it feel like? If I was going to go record that, what does it feel like? And then you open up short form video examples. There's more videos being uploaded today, but you could see video number 1, video number 2, video number 4. You're going to know and see when you're looking at the folder, okay, short form video 1, what does that sound like? What does that feel like? You just go over to the example videos and you'll be able to see it for yourself. So same thing as the webinars, same thing as the YouTube videos. We have demo videos of everything. So, we're giving people everything they need to win in myEcon. And the beautiful part is you can jump on this right now. You can get involved now. You can hit the link in the description down below. You can get yourself started, or you can come in at any time and you can start applying what we're teaching here because, when you look at the content calendar, it's for the month of June, but it doesn't matter if you start on the 11th, the 18th, the 25th today. But if I were you, I wouldn't wait on this. I wouldn't wait on this. This is going to create massive momentum. This is going to make it really simple and easy for anybody to know exactly what to do to jumpstart their business, have it all spelled out for them. There's no paid advertising here. You don't have to buy solo ads or Facebook ads or, do any of those fancy things where you got to pay for advertising. This is all free organic marketing, which we've found over the years works the best. And again, it all goes down tonight where we launch this to our team. So again, by the time you see this video, it will be the day after. But lots of great momentum, my friend. Lots of just very, very exciting times. We've been working on this for quite a while now, and we're very excited to get this in your hands so you can run with it. And that's what we do on the funnel team, my friends. That's what we do on the back end is we try to give you as much information, tools, resources, everything that you need to get out there and go crush it with your myEcon business. So I don't know, hopefully maybe you appreciate that. I know I love doing the work on the back end so you can see results on the front end. So that's what we do. So by the way, again, real quick, if you made it to this point in the video, wrapping things up here, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You'll be notified first. That's a pretty cool thing. So when I go live, which I do multiple times a week, you can jump on, say hi, ask me any questions, whatever. And as you can see, my phone number is right here at the top of this video. You can reach out and ask me anything. That is it, my friend. Get started. It all starts right here. The massive momentum wave inside of myEcon is here, and it's launching tonight. And we're all very, very, very excited about this. And of course, if you want to see more details on who we are, what we do, I'll leave an end card for you right here at the end of this video. So you can just tap on that and you can go see the over $11,000 in free value that we give you just for being on our team. Thank you for watching, my friend. Exciting times. I'm fired up. I hope you are too. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.